In my previous video, I painted a true picture of the word revival and promised to help you see the perfect picture of the life we lost through Adam, the very life that Christ came to restore to us in himself. If you missed that video, the link is attached to this one. Now let's quickly build a foundation of understanding to help us grasp what this lost life truly is and how it has been restored through Christ. Genesis 2:7 tells us that God breathed life into man. However, this was not just the general kind of life shared by all living creatures. No. While man possesses the common life of all animate beings, the life mentioned in Genesis 2:7 was uniquely breathed into him for a special purpose. Job 32:8 sheds light on this purpose, saying, "But there is a vital force, a spirit of intelligence in man, and the breath of the Almighty gives men understanding." This divine breath was not just ordinary life. It was a spiritual intelligence infused into man to give him understanding. Now, to fully grasp what this unique life is, we must ask, what kind of understanding was it meant to give us? Was it an understanding of science, economics, or politics? Unless we grasp the specific understanding this unique life was intended to infuse in us, it will be difficult to comprehend its true nature. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll stop here for now. In the next video, I'll reveal the specific understanding this life was designed to give man. And once you see it, you'll clearly understand what the life itself is all about. Please, support videos by liking and sharing it so it reaches a wider audience. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It costs nothing, you know. Thanks in advance.